Shalom, shalom, peace, peace. Out for a morning walk. Get that early morning vitamin D. You know what I was just thinking about while I'm out here? I want to travel to like Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, South Dakota, Nebraska. Like I'm just curious about like how their hills and valleys are. Like I want to visit all their national parks, all their national state parks, like see what they wildlife like. Like that's the type of vibe I'm on. Like that's the type of vacations I'm interested in. Like I want to go to places that people don't even think of. Like who thinks to go on vacation to Montana, Wyoming, like South Dakota, North Dakota, like I want to visit different places just to see how their hills and valleys are, their parks. It's nothing better than this. Like, what's better than this? Really, what's better than this? There's nothing better than this. Like, I could literally stay in the park all day. Sun up to sundown, I could stay in the park. About to go up an incline, y'all. This joint kind of steep. Sisters, you don't need no BBLs. Get on the treadmill, put that incline on, get on that elliptical, come to the park. Park that got hills, a lot of hills and valleys. Don't underestimate that incline work. Whew. That hill got me a little out of breath. But I could stay out here all day. All day. Have my almonds, my cashews, my fruits, my berries, my apples, my coconut water. Just be out here all day. Like I would literally stay out here from sun up to sundown. Oh, what this say right here? Notice, stocked trout waters. This water is stocked with trout. Oh, man. Is that a clean fish, y'all? Do trout got fins and scales? Shoot, I might have to go fishing out here. They said it's stocked with trout. Let me know if that's a clean fish. He said the water is stocked with trout. I'm gonna have to Google if that's a clean fish or not. And I gotta go camping. I gotta gather some folks up and go on like a camping trip. And really like live off the land. Like we do our own fishing, our own hunting. We'll bring some food just in case. Just in case. We'll bring some food. Just for emergency, we don't catch nothing, whatever, but yeah, I really want to do a camping trip where we really dependent on the land for our food. And that's another thing. I love fishing. I love deep sea fishing. The first time I went deep sea fishing, listen, my dad warned me, right? My dad warned me. He said, make sure you take some Dramamine before you come out here. He told me. Good morning, how you doing? He told me, he said, take some Dramamine before you come out here on this boat. You're not just standing on land fishing. We going out there. We going deep sea. I said, some Dramamine? What in the world is Dramamine? I'm like, man, Dad, I ain't taking no Dramamine. I'm good. Yeah, all right. We went out there. I caught like 2 fish. Within like the first hour. I caught like 2 fish. Then I started feeling nauseous. I got a crazy headache. Like the nausea was different. Like it was different. It felt like I don't even know how to describe it. Like I was dizzy, lightheaded. It's like I had to throw up and go to the bathroom at the same time. I'm like, what's going on? Like I was down bad. I was seasick bad, real bad. They had a bathroom in the bottom of the boat. Oh man. And there's a small, we on a boat, so the bathroom is small. It's already tight in there, right? And it's rocking, the motion of the boat. It's like, it's making me feel even, oh man, it was crazy. I had to throw up and go to the bathroom at the same time. Oh my goodness. And the boat just moving and swinging and swaying. Man, I was down bad. I learned my lesson. I should have listened to my father. I should have listened to my dad when he said, take some Dramamine before we went out there. That day moving forward, whenever we went fishing again, deep sea fishing again, I made sure I took like 2 or 3 Dramamines. Real rap. I took like 2 or 3 Dramamines after that incident. And it worked. It really worked. But no, it was another time we was in the Bahamas, right? We was in the Bahamas. Here go my pride and my ego again, right? Man, that was just a one-time occurrence. Like, I'm cool. Like, I'm a little older now. I'm cool. I ain't taking no Dramamine. I'm all right. Same scenario. Caught about 2 or 3 fish. About an hour in while we out there, I'm down bad. Like, I'm down real bad. I'm like, man, never again. Never again. I will never, ever, ever go deep sea fishing again without taking Dramamine. I'm not doing it. I'm popping me 2 or 3 Dramamines before I go out there every time now. I'm not taking that chance again. But yeah. Yeah. You got some people who don't get seasick, but apparently, I don't know what it is, but if I don't take that Dramamine, like my daddy told me, I get seasick real bad. Real bad. But yeah, I'm an outdoors person. I'm an outdoorsy person. I like going to the park. I love going to the park. Hiking. I love going deep sea fishing. I love biking. I'm just an outdoorsy person. Not outdoorsy in the sense of I don't like crowds. Like I don't like clubs no more. I don't like lounges and all that no more. Like I'll go for, I don't know, somebody close to me got something going on, like a little event or whatever. But other than that, if I'm outside, this is the type of time I'm on. When I say I'm outside, this is what I be talking about. I don't be talking about clubbing and bar hopping and all that other stuff. Like when I say I'm outside, this is what I mean. I'm outside. But anyway, get out in nature. Get out in nature as much as you can. As much as you can, get out in nature. Get outdoors. Get amongst the trees. Get your sunlight. Chill and sit next to a body of water. Just listen to the sound of the water. Listen to the leaves blow. Listen to the different insects and animals that's hitting in the trees and the bushes. Just listen to the sounds of nature. Just get out here. Just get out here. Get outside for real, for real. We about to race, y'all. Like, you think you can beat me? You think you can beat me? You think you can beat me? Come on. I'm Billy. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. Come on, Leia. I'm winning. Oh, she catching up. Oh. Nope, nope. Come on, mama. You're going to get the fish. Come on. Gonna catch some fish? This way, mama. Now go out there and get us some fish. Go catch us some fish. You ready to go? She ready to go, y'all. She leaving me. All right, go pull the car up. Moral of the story, get outside. Get you some sunlight. Get amongst the trees. Get in nature. And breathe. I was watching a video where it was saying we don't even be breathing right. Like we don't even be inhaling and exhaling our breaths right. Breathe. So here's my after walk snack. Handful of blueberries, some seeded grapes, and a mango. Something light.